Bryce Gregory, Product Manager for ODYSSEY, and I'm here to provide ODYSSEY Batteries National Car Care Month Battery Maintenance Tip of the Week. So what I'm doing here today is I got my occasional use vehicle, my tow vehicle for camping, and camp's about a month away, but we have a really nice day here, so I figured I'd come out and I'd check my batteries. Now this truck's been sitting for a couple weeks, and it's always recommended that you let your vehicle sit for at least 6 hours before you check the battery state of charge to determine if it's fully charged. Now once you're able to read that open circuit voltage, you're going to want to compare that to your manufacturer's product manual to determine what its open circuit voltage state of charge is. And that open circuit voltage state of charge here on my truck was about 12.5 volts. And 12.5 volts, according to ODYSSEYBattery.com's lookup guide, is about 70% state of charge. So that means I'm not at 100% state of charge. And batteries like to live at 100% state of charge. That prevents them from sulfating. Sulfating reduces their capacity, their ability to charge, and reduces their life. So what I'm going to want to do is charge this battery back up. Put it on a charger, take it for a good drive, whatever I need to do to get that battery back up, and check it again in a few days. And make sure I got the battery back up to a full state of charge. If you find after a day or two that the battery didn't fully charge, you're going to want to check the other systems on the vehicle or have the battery fully tested at a service center that has battery test equipment. As always, be sure to follow the manufacturer's guidelines for battery care and handling. And if you have any questions, be sure to check with a battery professional. To follow the latest ODYSSEY Battery news, visit www.odysseybattery.com or connect with us on Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook and use the hashtag MyOdyssey.